Okay, okay. Mm, then these are the types of testing. One second. Do you know the functional testing? Functional testing, non-functional testing, what is function, what is non-function. Okay, I will explain, no problem. Functional testing. Functional testing means we have to test the application on the main functionality. See, what is the purpose of go-to-meeting or webinar? To interact with other persons. So
Mm.
the functionality is working correctly at present because of you are seeing my system
Mm.
and you are listening my voice clearly. Means here what is the function of this?
We can listen or not. I mean, your screen is, I can see your screen and whatever you are saying, I can listen.
Yeah. So this is function. Non-function means the performance wise
Okay.
interaction directly without any interrupt and the alignment. Okay, these are non-functional. So functional testing is a type of testing done against the business requirements.
Okay.
It is a black box testing.
Okay.
It involves the complete integration system based on SRS documents or BRS or URS, FRS, CRS. Based on this type of documents, we have to test the actual functionality. Definitely, as a tester, we
Can you
have
give any other example for functionality?
okay,
Clear understand.
okay, like you are using Skype or you are using like a Facebook. Okay,
Okay.
so when you chat into your friend, the message is going to that particular person or not. How do
Mm.
you know?
Because we'll be knowing like that it is sent, seen.
Yeah, and the
Mm.
other person also replies to you, the same
Yeah.
person. So then only you can identify I am chatting with the perfect person. So
Okay.
what happens here? The functionality is working fine. If the functionality is not working properly, then if you charge into one person, maybe the chart
Ghost.
conversation to other persons. Maybe
Okay.
if the functionality
Mm.
is not in a proper way. So this is function. So we have to
Okay.
test the functionality of any application. That is the mandatory thing. See,
Okay.
for any purpose, you are using a mobile. So, what's the purpose of to use your mobile to call to other persons? If it
Mm.
is like a Android like that, you can use some applications. See, if applications does not work in your mobile, is it useful to you? Is it
No,
that mobile functionality is working? If
no.
you call to your friends or your parents, if it is not working properly, means the mother functionality of mobile is working fine? No.
No.
Function means anything like a chair. If you sit on chair, if its four legs are in proper way, then only you can sit. Means the functionality of chair is also good.
Okay.
Function means like it is a function means like um, using the purpose. What is the purpose of this application? What is the purpose of this mobile? Means we have to call to other persons, SMS to other persons. The main functionality of mobile, if does not work properly, then there is no use. Okay?
Mm. Okay, I got it.
Yeah. So we have lot of types of testing out there in our software test engineering or in software testing tools, in manual testing like smoke, sanity testing, integration testing, ad hoc testing, retesting, regression, exploratory, monkey testing, like that a lot of ways are there. I have explained. So the functionality testing means
We have to test the functionality of any application,
yes,
whether it is working perfect or not in good
yeah,
condition.
yeah. Here we have to check our business requirements documents. Means the inputs of functional testing and what are the other types of function here actually divided into functional testing and non-functional testing. So in that we have lot of types.
Again, in each,
Here actually they divided into functional testing, non-functional testing. In functional testing, some of testing types are there. In non-functional, some of the testing types are there.
okay.
In functional testing, like a unit testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, integration testing, like
Mm,
interface testing, regression testing, and like UAT testing. These all are coming to functional testing.
okay.
Yeah, if you go to like a non-functional testing, what is non-functional testing? Any idea?
As you said, it is like whether it is, and everything is working fine or not without any interruption. You
Yeah,
give one example like audio.
okay. Non-functional testing. Non-functional testing means, see, after like compatibility testing, browser testing, configuration testing, installation testing, load testing, performance testing, recovery testing, security testing, scalability, stress, volume, usability. There are a lot of types of there for non-functional testing. The
Mm,
non-functional testing means it is related to the function only, but it is not a function. See, login page is there. So,
mm.
for login page, what is the function? Means functionality means you can
We need.
yeah, you can enter your username, you can enter your password, then click on login page. It goes to next page. Here, that is function. Okay,
Okay.
what is non-function there? The alignment, where it is located. The login page, is it exact place or it is in other place? The alignment, the test. So if they mention their username in exact place, then only you can identify. Here you can enter the username. If they did not mention a proper name there, it's a very difficult to enter. Okay,
Okay.
so non-functionality testing is the type of testing done against the non-functional requirements. Means we have to check the non-functionality of that application, like a performance. What is the performance? See here, you entered username, password, and click on sign in button. It's open next page. Here we have to check like how much time it takes to open that page.
Okay.
That is the performance. How much time we have to open that page. Like see, like in e-commerce sites, like a Paytm, Flipkart, Snapdeal, lot of e-commerce sites are there. If you like, if they put any offers like 100% free, mm, maybe many
Mm,
users will log in at a time. So what happens
yeah.
at the time? Unable to open your page. So it's performance testing. Like if you open like in IRCTC also, if you open in a Tatkal time, it takes more time to open your page.
Yeah.
Yeah, these all are related to the performance. And non-functional testing has a great influence on customer and user satisfaction. User satisfaction is the most important thing for any project. Means if end user likes the application, then he can suggest to other persons. If he does not like that applications, your business also will lose. So that's why functionality is important and non-functionality is also most important. Both are important for any project. Means the system should be fast. Okay?
Mm,
Okay. So smoker sanity testing. Any idea about smoker sanity testing?
no.
No idea. Okay. One second. See, smoker sanity testing. See, like a smoke testing means whenever our developers put a build,
Mm-hmm.
then we have to test that application in within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. We have to check the links of that application or modules is working fine or not. Means the functions is working without any bothering. Means without any fails. See here, like smoke testing, initial build. We have to check when build is stable or not stable. Verify we have the functionality of that application. Maybe see in ICICI Bank around 15 links are there. So you have
Mm-hmm.
to check the 15 links. It is opening or not. Means for any build they have to give some duration. See, build one is on June 17th and
Mm-hmm.
build 2 is on around June end of month 30th, like that. So meanwhile 15 days gap is there. But if you do not do like a smoke testing of that particular build, what happens? See, in that 15 links, if some links are not open, you observed after few days. Is it possible to put build again and again? No. So that's
Because it is
why,
already passed.
yeah. So that's why for any build, we have to check like a smoke testing. So if you check the smoke testing, then you can easily identify is these links are open or not. In smoke testing, you don't check total application and total functionality. Just you have to observe the links are open or not, like within half an hour or 1 hour. It depends on your project. You have to check the smoke testing or sanity testing. If everything will perfect, then your 15 days testing will go perfectly without any disturbance.
Okay.
So that's why we have to check smoker sanity testing. Any doubt on this smoker sanity? If you have any,
Both are same, right? Smoke and sanity.
yeah, both are same. Both are same.
So for every build, in order to check for, I mean, one day it takes time just for smoke testing for one build. It
Repeat it
depends.
again. Repeat it again.
Here, you said no for one build. It takes. I mean, I'm asking here. Suppose 23 builds are there. In order to check one build, how
Hmm.
much time it takes? I mean, one day it takes, or it depends on.
No, no, not one day. Smoke test means we have to, within a 1 hour, we have to test that application and we have to inform to particular developers the
Okay.
build is perfect or not. If the build is not perfect, they have to put again rebuild.
Okay.
Smoke means you see like a cloud or anything. Smoke means it is in evaporate in a minutes, in a seconds.
Okay.
Like that, smoke testing also we can test in a like minutes like that.
Okay.
Just to have to check the function, the links are working or not for present build.
Only links or any other more things also.
We have to check
Smoke testing
almost.
means it's only links.
Yeah, it's a main on links. If anything
Okay.
urgent is there, you just okay, test the functionality.
Okay.
Almost smoke testing is related to the links. If around 25 links or 100 links are there, just you have to
Mm.
check that link is open or not. It's not
Okay.
like a functional testing. You can't test the functionality of that application. You can check the links are opening or not. See,
Mm.
uh, like let's take an example on Gmail.
Mm.
Okay, if you enter with your username and password, you come to the your main page. Then inbox, send back, all are things there. So if you click on send box, send link, if no mails are there, means your functionality is not working. Some issues are there. So you have just informed to your developer unable to show sent items. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, if you have any doubts on this, ask. See, ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing.
Testing.
Yeah. Any idea about ad hoc testing?
No.
Okay. Ad hoc testing means like without any documentation, without any test case. We have to test the application. Like this type of software testing is very informal. See, this is informal testing. Means you can test without any documentation. See now, if I will say like please test Gmail, means what you do, you will do ad hoc testing only because of you don't have any test case or any
Test case.
documentation for that. Okay,
Okay.
so but when you
It means
uh,
whatever the developer has given to us, that we'll just open
yeah,
it. That's it, right?
we can develop a project through meetings. See, like the tester performing ad hoc testing as if good knowledge, uh, good understanding of the domain and application. Then only he will try to find out defects and break the application.
Mm. Mm.
See, if I give like a banking domain to you,
Mm.
so if there is no documents means if you have knowledge on banking, then you can test that project. Otherwise, it's very difficult. See,
Okay.
like banking. So, in what are the contents in banking domain?
Transfers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
savings account, then
Current account,
current account,
salary,
salary account, credit card, debit card,
debit card.
deposit, fixed deposit, mortgage,
Mm,
home loan, mutual fund, personal loan, ATM, current account,
okay.
checkbooks, business loan, project loan, term loans, and locking systems, vehicle loan, educational loan, gold loan, agriculture loan. See, if you do not have any idea about the banking, then it is very difficult to test your application.
Mm,
If it is a banking, you have some knowledge. If you have in insurance, you have some knowledge. Means here the important thing is in ad hoc testing, if you have knowledge, then only you can test. Otherwise, it is difficult.
okay.
Okay,
Okay. Generally, this is done by whom? I mean, any
testers
experienced
only.
person.
Yeah, experienced
Testers
person.
only, but they
Yes,
should have overall idea, right?
yeah, definitely. Without any idea, we can't do ad hoc testing. If you have any idea about your application or domains, then only you can test ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing means no documentation. So without
Okay.
document, testing is difficult. So like that. Okay, ad hoc testing, retesting. See, what is retesting?
Retesting.
Yeah, any idea what is retesting? What to
Testing
happen?
means
Yeah,
it's like comparison. Maybe it means already done testing will help with that whether result expected results, actual results are validating or not. It means before sending we need to test again.
before sending.
I mean before releasing the product.
Mm,
We just for confirmation we'll be validating again testing the testing.
retesting. Come again.
No, once will after doing testing once by the
Mm,
testers.
okay.
So again, some other testers will test the same thing because in order to confirm whether the test results are oh, passed or not before releasing the product. Retesting means testing the same thing again.
Yeah, retest means testing the same thing again. That is okay. What you are saying is correct. Testing it again. But when you test it again, that is important.
Okay.
When you test it again, that is important. When you test it,
Mm, if any,
sir, okay. See, retesting means after a defect is identified and fixed, means identified means once you have to identify a issue, okay.
mm,
If developer could build, you can test that issue again or defect again.
Okay.
Means here same scenario, you test it again. After a defect detected or identified and fixed, means the software should be retested to confirm the original thing is closed or not, means the original defect has been successfully removed or not. Are you get this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Retesting means we have to testing the same thing after a defect is identified, okay, and fixed. The software to be retested here. How can you identify is this issue fixed or not? See
We
here,
have to test it.
yeah, here homework is there. Here spelling mistake is there.
Yeah.
In our place it is in S. Okay, so how you
Okay.
identified again, is it fixed or not? Whenever you have to retest that one, then only you can identify this is fixed. So this is called retesting, means confirmation of testing.
Okay.
This second time, the second time, okay.
Okay.
In interviews, definitely they ask like what is difference between regression testing and retesting. They ask about what is retesting and regression testing. So if they ask like a regression testing means testing your application, when it code change, means build. You can test the application, is there any affected or not, okay.
That is retesting.
Regression testing, retesting means any defect, the same defect you have to test it again, that is retest. Regression testing means after any build we have to test the application. It is just like a functional testing only.
Okay. It means we need to application for regression testing.
Come again,
Yeah.
repeat it.
For regression testing,
Yeah,
we need to for regression testing, we
yeah,
need to test overall application after once the build is fixed.
yeah, definitely. It is like a functional regression test only.
Okay.
We can test the application. Okay, we can
Okay.
test the application in same time. So
Okay.
definitely they ask like what is difference between functional testing and no, no,
No,
sorry. They
this one.
ask about
Retesting and
the
regression
difference
testing.
between retesting and regression testing.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Retesting means testing the defect once it is fixed, whether it is fixed correct or not. Correct?
If you
Retesting.
yeah, you if you want you can write a sentence, retest.